Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. In this video I only want to focus on the shorter time frame. So I think this so far is looking good. Been talking about the situation that Solana could have completed its overall long and draining correction when it hit here the swing low on the 24th of May, at around 1880. There's basically two scenarios. So in one scenario, so first of all, the overall scenario is bullish for anybody who's new on this channel. So the idea is that as long as 1778 doesn't break, that we should be able to rally in a third wave. Now it did enter our trend reversal area, our support range, bounced off the golden ratio. That level has been on the chart for weeks, if not months, and it reversed. So that's already a successful trade setup so far. So anybody who entered here can of course move up the stop loss. That's entirely up to you. I then highlighted to you that, okay, the first scenario is that either the overall low is in, because we could actually also on the lower time frames count an overall correction complete, and then we should rally already now in a third wave. I'm a bit skeptical until I see a 5-wave rally and a 3-wave pullback above resistance. So 5-wave rally above resistance and a 3-wave pullback. I don't see that at this stage. At this stage I only see a 3-wave rally. So the idea is that either the correction is over and we are rallying now, and that needs to take us first above $21.37. That's the first relevant Fibonacci resistance. Then market needs to move above 23.30, and for me the most important resistance level is $26.82. These are the highs that were printed back in January and February. Okay, so in this scenario, obviously we should take off, and I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But then we also have the scenario which is highlighted here in blue, where we rally in an ABC correction in a wave 4, which means we get one more corrective bounce and then a move down. Down here, the forecast was that we either get that wave 4 into this resistance area that happened, and that we then get a reaction here, which also happened, and would then come down in a C wave, or, and that's the bullish case, and I gave you a trend reversal area for that one yesterday and said we can focus on higher in the short-term bullish, so medium-term bullish and short-term bullish scenario, as long as the $20 level is holding. Did highlight to you that in this resistance area we most likely see a pullback, and if we get a higher low and price goes into our support area and exits to the upside, that we have a good chance to get the 5th wave, and this seems to be happening right now. Now we haven't made a higher high yet. What is needed for confirmation that this is a 5th wave is really a break above the 3rd wave high here, what I have labeled as possible 3rd wave. That would be a move above $21.17, but then ultimately it would be good in these possible 5 waves to rally above resistance, which means above 21.40. Ideally hold there, but then we're already at the end of the pattern most likely, so it will probably then come down in a 3-wave correction. So far everything works out in favor of the short-term bullish scenario. Okay, so we had a wave 1 to the upside, which peaked here on the 25th of May, a wave 2 to the downside, and a wave 3 to the upside. That could also be an ABC, don't get me wrong. But then that's why I gave you yesterday the support area here, the trend reversal area, the pivot point, $20.15, to say as long as we're holding that level, we can get that 5th wave. And now let's talk about, okay, 5th wave, what is a target based on latest parameters we have? So way to calculate that, we can take the wave away, the length waves 1 through 3, go to the low of the 4th wave, and then target would be, well, 21.20 is not really a valid target. It is actually a valid target, but it wouldn't make a higher high. Don't really want to see that. I would like to see either 21.37, so that is resistance, the 50% retracement level, but it would be nice to push a little higher to 21.76, sort of in that area, or higher. Higher is always better, but this is sort of what we need to see. If it breaks down now, then it failed to create 5 waves. Okay, it did hold support though, and it could come down and use the area again, but ideally is as long as it's holding $20, it has a chance to make that higher high in a 5th wave. As soon as we have done that, completed 5 waves, and I gave you possible target levels just now, then I'm watching for an ABC pullback, and as soon as we have those 5 waves up, I will calculate for you the support or trend reversal area for the then upcoming ABC correction for that wave 2, because then I can count that move up after 5 waves as a wave 1 and the move down as a wave 2. Yeah, that's my update about Solana. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.